Does your dirt bike jerk when you downshift? Well, there's a couple reasons why it might be jerking when you shift down the gears. So let's say you're riding in second gear at 15 miles an hour and you think you need to shift down into first gear and it jerks. Well, if you pay attention to the engine, you can listen to the RPM and where it's at. And if you're shifting down too soon, this will cause the bike to jerk because you're not matching the RPM with the gear that you're riding. And this is because the engine is at such a high RPM where there's more engine braking, which is trying to slow the bike down. So if you simply just let the RPM drop a little bit more before downshifting, so slow down a little bit more before you shift down to a lower gear, this will help make it less jerky. Or if you want to make it even smoother, you can use the clutch when you're downshifting. Now, when I'm trail riding, I generally don't use the clutch when I'm downshifting because I have a really good feel of what gear I need to be in at what speed I'm going. And as long as you're just letting off the throttle, you can do a simple click of the downshifter to go down a gear. So I'm in third gear, I let off the throttle, just click down and then get back on the throttle. But if you're slowing down to, let's say, first gear, you can just pull in the clutch, shift it down, and then slowly let out the clutch and get back on the throttle, and that'll be a smooth shift. And if you're a trail rider that wants to have a better understanding of what gear you should be in, you should check out this video here, or maybe it's right here.